Hello, Father.
Hi, Melissa.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I am very fine, thank you.
So tell me, Father, what did you think about first thing in the morning?
As I got up today, I remembered that today I have to give interview.
And what did you eat for breakfast today?
I had noodles.
Noodles for breakfast, Father.
Yes, very much.
And usually, how's your typical day like? Now since we can't go out, so what do you do in a day?
I try to spend time with myself, reading newspapers and reading some books.
Okay, so what would you say like three adjectives to describe Father Baptist?
He is most disciplined person. Secondly, he is very understanding. Thirdly, whenever I approach him, he always helps.
Okay, and if you don't mind me asking, what made you join the priesthood? What was your calling?
It was my mother who inspired me to become a Dominican priest.
Wow, that's great. Before joining the seminary, what all did you study?
I just completed my 10th and joined my the seminary.
Okay, that's great. And could you tell us a little bit about the seminary? What all classes are held in the seminary?
We have so many classes regarding philosophical, theological, and all the other classes which are required for the formation of priests.
Okay. And how would you say the Dominican priests, chill out in the campus during their formation? What do you all do for time pass when you are not studying?
When we are not studying, actually, we do play the different games, and then we come out and we go sometimes for movies. So we
Wow.
enjoy our time.
That's great, Father. Do you play any sports?
Yeah, I do play. Do play most of the games, but I have special preference for cricket.
Wow, cricket. And if I would ask you three adjectives to describe yourselves, what would they be?
Uh, I am loving person and cheerful, and I am a good listener.
That's absolutely right, Father. And how would you say, what are your hobbies?
Hobbies: I read books, then I play most of the games, then I do some exercises which keeps me fit.
Wow, that's great. And if you weren't priest, what kind of profession would you have chosen?
I think so. I would have been a good counselor. That's my opinion. I do not know about others.
Okay, Father. And what is the best part of being a Dominican priest?
One thing I like about Dominican priests is that we always live in a community where we have that family atmosphere. So I enjoy a lot.
Okay. And are there any courses for a lay person to do?
Surely, lay persons can do even philosophical studies, even theological. I think these are the courses that are offered to them.
When you shifted your father, what would be your first impression about Our Lady of Mercy Church?
It's a very active parish and plenty of ministry to do. That's what I like the most.
Okay, Father. Three adjectives to describe Father John.
He is very approachable, is loving, and is understanding.
Okay. And what is something that you carry around everywhere you go?
My smile.
Wow. And if you had to give any advice to a young person who is considering for religious life, what would it be?
I would say a better choice you have chosen, or a better life ahead waiting for you.
Okay, Father.
Yes.
If a person is confused which religious congregation should he or she join, what would you suggest? What advice would you give?
I would say before joining any congregation, you need to discern well. Without discerning, you can't join any of the congregations.
That's absolutely right, Father. And if you had the power to change something drastically in the society, what would it be?
I would say the wisdom to understand each other in the society. That would be the best thing.
Okay. And if you're stuck on an island, what would have been your experience?
Would have had that fear. Fear in the sense nobody is there and I am alone. Surely I'll be a little frightened.
Yes, Father. What is something that you have never tried before but you would love to do?
I would like to be a missionary, go to the unknown land and do my mission work.
Wow, Father, that's amazing. Who's your favorite saint
Saint Dominic,
and why would you say that?
because he's our founder.
Wow. And how did your family react to your vocation when you told them that you wanted to be a priest?
All of them were very happy, supportive, and they nurtured my vocation. That is what I would like to say.
That's great, Father. Okay, Father. So now we'll have a rapid fire section
Yes.
where you'll have to answer the questions quickly. The first thing that comes to your mind.
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready, Father?
Yes.
Okay. Favorite food?
Fish curry rice.
Wow. Favorite cartoon character while growing up?
We didn't have that during our time.
Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Favorite color?
Blue.
Favorite ice cream flavor?
Vanilla.
Favorite movie?
Avatar.
Favorite subject in school?
History.
History?
Yeah.
Wow, that's great, Father. That was amazing. Okay, Father, we have the last segment for today, and that is Would You Rather? Okay? So
Yes.
you have to choose between one of the two items. Would you rather go into the past and meet your ancestors or meet the future Pope?
I would go to the past and meet my ancestors.
And what would you do? What would you discuss with them, Father?
It is better to know each other in our family, our ancestors, so that we will come to know how they have lived their life, so that it becomes a lesson for me.
That's great, Father. Would you rather be able to talk to animals or speak all languages?
I would like to learn all the languages.
So you can speak to everybody else?
Yes, why not?
Would you rather put a stop to war or end world hunger?
End world hunger. That would be the idea.
That's great, Father. Would you rather explore the space or the ocean?
Ocean.
You love underwater animals, Father?
Yes, I like it.
If you were Jonah, would you rather be swallowed by a shark or an octopus?
Shark.
Shark, Father?
Yes.
Would you rather give up brushing your hair or brushing your teeth?
Brushing my hair.
And what about your teeth, Father?
Teeth, okay. I can brush. Hair, since I have less hair, I can manage without brushing.
Okay, Father. Would you rather be stuck on a parachute or on a ship which is going to drown?
A parachute.
Would you rather be locked in an amusement park or a haunted house?
Amusement.
Would you rather eat pizza or ice cream as the only food for the rest of your life?
Pizza.
Okay, Father, last question for the day. How did you like our interview?
I enjoyed the most, Melissa. In a way, it is eye-opening for me also to go back to the past and how I decided to become a priest. So it was really excellent one. Thank you so much, Melissa.